Hello everyone. So I am just jumping on to do a quick tutorial on kind of like an old-fashioned Mickey Mouse design. So just going to get my acrylic paints ready. What I have on the nail at the minute is just 2 coats of white with a layer top coat, and I buffed it to give me a nice working surface for my acrylic paint. And this is just going to be done in black, white and red. So I've got my black acrylic paint here, and I am just going to start by painting a little round head. So I'm literally just drawing kind of a half a circle at the minute. Once I get to there, I'm going to stop because I want to draw his mouth down a little bit lower than that. Sorry, my camera is being weird. It's after going onto a weird angle, so I'm trying to make sure I'm doing this in the screen. So I'm kind of drawing like a football. And then I want to come in here. Too much of my brush. And I'm going to draw another little oval just here. I want this line to lead right up to it. Now that's not quite round enough for me. When you're doing acrylic drawings is if you make any sort of mistake, you can fix it really easy. I'll show you now in a second because I'm not happy with that little line. So I'm going to give him his little happy face. Yeah, I'm just cleaning off my brush so I can get a little bit of white and just touch up that little area that I'm not happy with. A little white in my palette, and I'm putting a bit of water into my acrylic paint so that it moves nicely for me. And then let me go back to this area here. So I'm literally taking my white and I'm just going to paint over that little space just here. Disney nail art can be super cute. Right, now I need to finish this little piece off, and I just need to attach that to that. Okay. Now I need my white to dry there for me so I can do the next bit there. But while I'm waiting, I can do It's a nice big ear. I'll do one up here. And I'm going to do the other one down here because he's kind of looking sideways at us. I have no idea what angle my phone is at right now. It's being really weird. Here. And the other ear. And I'm literally just colouring in my little circles. Now his little mouth. Now that way. I can bring up here. Okay. Yeah, so I want to make him smiley. So bring his little mouth down here. And around and up. Looking a little bit more like Mickey Mouse now, isn't he? Yeah, so also for his little face, we need to bring this up and in. Little curves. And then you're going to colour in that space with your paint. When you're using acrylic paint, you'll always see brush strokes until you top coat. And when you top coat the nail or your painted artwork, the brush strokes all disappear. There we go. Okay. Now, so Mickey Mouse nowadays has like white eyes with a little black bead in them, but your old-fashioned Mickey Mouse just had big black eyes. So this eye is further away from us, so we're going to do him a little bit smaller than the eye that's going to be closer. And then this eye is much closer to us, so it needs to be bigger. Okay. Now he does of course need his big nose. Little nose. He's looking super cute. Now, so I'm going to get a little bit of red and do a little bit of red in his mouth. Just to add a bit of colour to the picture. And then when that's dry, I'm going to touch up his mouth a little bit more. Brush is a bit wet. So a little bit of red in his mouth. And I'm just going to give that a few little seconds to dry, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit more black to finish him off. I'd say that's fine there now. So I just want to thicken up the black in his mouth a little bit, just to make his mouth look a little bit more kind of shadowy. I'll give him a little bit for a tongue. Isn't he cute? And he was quick, simple and cute. Now I'm going to top coat him so that you can see what he looks like when he's shiny, because the top coat makes everything look amazing. I just need to give that black a couple of seconds. Yeah, I'd say it's dry. And there is our little Mickey Mouse, all top coated and shiny. And he would just cure that in the lamp for whatever amount of time your top coat needs to be cured. And he's done! So thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna flip this video around, edit it, flip it around so that it is the right way up, because I'm pretty sure it's upside down. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next week with another tutorial.